In this episode of our SCiNiTO How-To series, we'll explore how to use the Research Space feature to organize your research and work more efficiently. With Research Space, you can collect relevant papers, upload PDFs, add notes, and even ask AI questions based only on your selected sources. To begin, create a new space and assign it a name based on your research topic, thesis, coursework, or manuscript. After naming your space, you can also add a short description to clarify its purpose or define the scope of your project. This is especially helpful when managing multiple research topics. At this stage, you can also invite colleagues or teammates who are already registered in SCiNiTO. By adding them to the space, they will be able to access the same materials, contribute notes, and collaborate within the shared research environment from the very beginning. Once your space is set up, you can begin adding resources. On the side panel, you may already see articles that were previously bookmarked from AI chat or from the search section. You can select those saved papers and add them directly into your research space. In addition, you can upload new PDF files at any time if you want to include external articles, reports, or draft manuscripts that were not previously saved in SCiNiTO. You can also add notes to document your ideas, research questions, or interpretations alongside the selected sources. This allows your references and your thinking process to stay connected within the same environment. And importantly, you don't have to add everything at once. You can start with a few key papers and gradually expand your space as your research evolves. When your sources are inside the space, you can begin interacting with them using AI. By selecting specific uploaded PDFs or bookmarked articles, you can ask the AI to summarize key findings, compare methodologies, extract important insights, or answer detailed research questions. What makes this feature especially powerful is that the AI works only with the materials you choose. It does not pull information from across the web. Every response is grounded exclusively in your selected sources. This helps you stay focused on your own materials, avoid external noise, and save time reviewing lengthy documents. It also ensures academic control and transparency throughout the research process. Research Space transforms SCiNiTO into a controlled, collaborative research environment. It allows you to organize materials, involve your team, expand your collection over time, and turn your selected sources into structured, evidence-based answers, all within a single AI-powered workflow. That's how you can use Research Space with AI to manage, collaborate, and synthesize your research more effectively. Try it yourself at SCiNiTO's website to make your research process smoother and more efficient.